In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to set up a campaign manually to reach your audience based on where they are or where they've been to drive real business results. Before you get started, it's important to understand your business goals. Ask yourself, what is the campaign budget and timeline? Who is the target user? How do I want to reach the target user? And what does a successful campaign look like? For this video, our example client, Jenny's Tacos, wants to drive visits to their new store location. After signing up for Ads Manager, creating your tenant and associated account, you'll be able to create a new campaign. In the account dashboard, click on the New Campaign button. You'll see an option for Guided Setup, which walks you through a recommended campaign setup and is currently only available for mobile inventory. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting the manual setup, which takes you through a more advanced and comprehensive flow. Click Save and Continue. In this new window, give the campaign a name. Then select the appropriate category that reflects the ad content. Advertising is the default category. It's important to set the correct category to ensure your ads are delivered smoothly and your budget is spent as intended. Next, choose a budget setting. Ad group budgets is the recommended option as it allows you to set specific budgets for each targeting tactic within a campaign, giving you more control and flexibility. Campaign budget sets one total budget for all ad groups to pull from, allowing the platform to optimize for you. You also have the option to select daily budget as an added feature of ad group budget. A daily budget lets you set an average daily spend for your ad groups. Note that if you choose either campaign budget or daily budget, the setting cannot be changed. For this tutorial, we'll choose ad group budgets, our most used and recommended setting. We encourage setting up a campaign with a combination of targeting goals to reach your target user in multiple ways. Choose from target by audience, target by location, which breaks down into sub-options like geo-targets, neighborhoods, and on-premise targeting, as well as target by weather. Note that each ad group can only support one type of goal, so you'll need to create separate ad groups to use other goals. For this tutorial, Jenny's Tacos wants to market to millennials and people who have visited a local Taco Bell. They can accomplish this through target by audience. Once selected, click Save and Continue. Next, select the media type. The media type specifies where the ads for this ad group will be shown. Each ad group can only deliver to one media type. Remember, our client wants to drive visits to their new store location, targeting millennials and people who have visited a local Taco Bell. Start with entering the ad group name. We suggest including the media type, mobile, and targeting goal, audience. For easy reference, under Select Audiences, search and select your desired audience directly in the search bar. As you add audiences, our audience recommendation engine will appear to help you expand your campaign's reach. These recommendations are based on similar audience choices made by other advertisers that also selected your chosen audiences. We'll close this for now. Another way to search for audience segments is using the Browse Audience Library feature that helps break down audiences into different categories and types. Next, apply any location filters like states, cities, or zip codes. You can use a combination of location types if you'd like. If you don't select a filter, your ads will run nationwide. Then, specify your drive to destination. This is where you want to measure foot traffic after a user is exposed to an ad. Finally, choose your optimization strategy. We'll select delivery to reach as many people as possible. Click Save and continue to proceed. Now, it's time to add your creatives. The upload window highlights the core sizes for your media type. To serve the most impressions, we recommend including all 4 core creative sizes within each ad group. Remember to enter the click-through URL. If you don't have mobile assets, you can use the text banner builder to design captivating mobile display ads. If you don't have a mobile-optimized web page, we offer the option to use our landing page creator, which tracks secondary actions. Simply click the Create Landing Page button and make your desired changes. Once satisfied with your upload, click Add Creative. Then click Save and Continue to move on. The last steps are setting up your budget and flight dates. The minimum bid price is $3.50 for mobile and desktop display banners, $8 for mobile and desktop video, $19 for audio, and $25 for CTV and OTT. Since this is a mobile display ad, we'll start with $3.50. Note that for flights less than 1 week, we recommend starting with $8. Next, enter the budget for this ad group or input your desired impressions to back into a budget, and then select the start and end date and click Apply. Once you're happy with everything, you have two options. Press Save and Launch to activate your campaign, or press Save if you plan to return back and make edits before launching. For this tutorial, we'll click Save and Launch. If the time frame selected is in the future, then the campaign and ad group will be in pending status and will launch automatically when the start date comes. If either ad group or campaign are in pause status, your ads will not deliver until you manually launch to activate them. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor its progress to see how it's performing in real time. You'll find high-level campaign metrics, a snapshot of live ads, and insights on top-performing audiences, creatives, and locations. Reporting goes beyond vanity metrics and includes in-store visits and visitation rate, which helps you understand the impact of your campaigns. Get started today. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.